In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about the effects of Canva. Today, we're going to be talking about something really easily for this application, which is resizing the designs into Canva. If you're a Canva Pro user, the tool you need is right here into the top menu, which is Resize. Click into it, and you will see a list of formats like the custom size, Instagram Reel, ebook cover. When I choose this element, I just click into the element that says copy and design, so I can have this specific designs, and later on it's going to be popping up a new design but with the different size, which in this case will be the Instagram Reel. If you wanted to resize everything directly inside here into the same design, choose the element that says resize this design. In my case, I'm going to copy and resize. So all my designs will be added into a new editor. So I'm going to go for continue into the browser instead, and you can see that my designs are now appearing as an Instagram Reel. And you can see that actually it appears the new editor of video because we're actually using the template of the resize of Instagram Reels. So after the switch, it's not always perfect. Sometimes we needed to rearrange that ourselves a little bit more. Sometimes it actually looks really well. In my case, it actually looks really well. So what if you are into the free plan? You don't have like a magic switch? Well, you don't have to worry about that. Let's see what we can actually do. When you create a design in your desired size into a new tab, you can go back to the original design. Let's say, for example, that we wanted to do exactly the same thing, but not with the Canva Pro. So instead of clicking into the element that says resize, copy and resized, what I'm going to do to leave this as it is, I'm going to go back into Canva, and I'm going to go and add a new element that says create. So here what you wanted to do is to choose your desired size that you would like to use. Let's say, for example, like an Instagram post, or to make this process much interesting, the TikTok video. So I'm going to try to continue to the browser once again. And here is my actual template of the editor of, in this case, a TikTok video in this case. So what I just needed to do is to head back into my original design, select everything that is directly into my design. I click into copy, Ctrl A to select everything, Ctrl C, go back into the new size and paste this. Just like that, everything will be added in no time. Once again, what I just needed to do is to resize the stuff, and there we go. Everything looks correctly. So there you have it. The process actually is not that hard. You can try it. There's so much more stuff that you can try with the Canva Pro. If you'd like to try it out, there's a link in the description, so you can try it out 30 days totally for free here with Canva, and there's no cost. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.